Assalamu alaikum, dear participants. Hope so you are well today, and today I am going to take a session on accounting. With you, I am Muhammad Hussain, a lecturer, Department of Accounting, Government Hussain Shahid Sorority College, Mabura. I will discuss today on chapter 8, and chapter name is Accounts for Tangible and Intangible Assets. And a specific topic is depreciation. The calculation procedure of depreciation for MCQ question. You know very well, depreciation is the periodic allocation of the cost of a long-term tangible asset over its estimated useful service life. You have to give the answer of MCQ question, and in this case you will get 1 minute for one question, but it is mentionable that you have to calculate all the questions answer within 50 or 40 seconds. So for this reason of being, you have to apply your strategy and some way by which you may calculate within short period of time for the respective questions answer. So dear participant, before it, we have to know some short form for calculating depreciation. D for depreciation. CD for cumulative depreciation. C for cost of acquisition of the asset. N for number of years. R for depreciation rate in percentage. SV for salvage value of the asset. That means the amount of the asset that could be sold instead of the same factors at the end of maturity. And BV means book value. We know very well, book value means cost of acquisition of the asset minus cumulative depreciation. Dear participant, we will follow a formula by which we may calculate depreciation under double declining balancing method within 50 seconds. So let's go to follow a practical problem that are usually given to your question paper. And for this reason of being, before it, we have to know the formula for it. Depreciation for a period, the formula will be D for C into R within 1 minus R to the power n minus 1. That means D for depreciation, C for cost of acquisition of the asset, R for rate for depreciation, and 1 is given to the formula, and N means number of years. So the problem is here. Rubaba Food Products Limited purchased a machine on 1st January 2001. Its estimate useful service life is 5 years. At the end of the 5 years, its salvage value will be Taka 4,000. Now the requirement. You have to find out the depreciation at the end of second year. That means in 2002. That means you have to calculate depreciation on 31st December 2002. Okay, so here C for cost. Cost means 34,000 taka. N for 5 years. Number of years 5. And as there is no percentage is given to this problem, and for this reason of being, we have to calculate the percentage for depreciation under double declining balancing method. In this case, R for 2 into 100% divided estimate useful service life. That means 5. So the result will be 40%, means 0.4. Okay. So depreciation for 2002. C into R within bracket 1 minus R to the power n minus 1. That means C for 34,000 into R for 0.4 within bracket 1 minus 0.4 to the power 2. That means for 2 years, so 2 minus 1. That means 34,000 means 40% means 40 divided 100. 1 minus 40 means 60 divided 100. And to the power 1 means the same figure will be in this case. So that means 34,000 into 40 into 0.40 into 0.60. That means the result will be 8,160. 8,160. This is all for you. So by following this process, you will calculate your respective questions answer, and it will be very easy, helpful, and it is a not time killing process. So dear participant, wishes with the best of luck. Thank you all for staying with me. Allah Hafiz.